Hello! For today, we are going to unbox this Marin Kitagawa figure made by Good Smile Company. Good Smile Company is well known for its top-rated high-quality figures, and it is led by Chairman and Representative Director Takanori Aki. So excited for this figure that was released last month. Let's open it and see how it looks. As we can see, it's well wrapped, it's well protected. Alright, let's get it out. Yeah, another well-made figure by Good Smile Company. Thank you so much for this kind of quality figures. It's really worth the price, really worth the wait. Really love this character. So thank you for making it out alive. And now we're going to attach it to her base. And so we can review it more and we can display it. It's definitely a 10 out of 10 figure. Molded well, the posing is simple, but really attractive and appealing. Well, I think this is expected from one of the top toy figure companies in the world. It's mid-range budget figure, around $96 to $105. But for its quality, it's a resin-like figure. I saw a resin figure of Marin months ago. It's from ABS in the studio, and the quality is equal in my opinion. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked the video and if you didn't like it as well, hit the like button and share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Till my next video, goodbye.